Hello my friends and welcome back to another review. Today we're checking out another EZshoot red dot sight. So we're going to go ahead and check this out for you guys. Couple features: auto on and off, which increases the battery life, high performance, high quality aluminum alloy, enhances the durability, 30mm lens, provides a broad field of view. So inside, we get two batteries, we get a cleaning cloth, we get a manual, we get the actual sight here, you get the adjusting tool, and of course this awesome hard protective box. So this is the scope, the sight I should say, and you just press on the side and it flips open. So it's actually really nice that they have this feature. Makes it easy for protecting your lens. You just pop it open, and same for the front. You pop it open. You can take it off as well if you don't want them on there, so they pop right off, but I think most people are going to want them on there because it easily protects your lens, which is very smart, a good idea. So adjusting is on the side here, and it just click to adjust, and on the top as well. In here on the top you have your on and off. So if it's at 0, that means it's off. If it's up to 11, that means it's brightest. If it's at number 1, so it's numbered on here, 0 through 11. 11 is full brightness, 0 is off, 1 is lowest brightness. So to put the battery in on the top here, you thread just the top piece off like this. So just that gets threaded off, and that's where you're going to place your battery that they provide you. Again, they give you a spare battery, which is very nice of them. So you drop your battery in like that, have the plus facing up and the letters facing up, and you simply thread this right back on and make sure it's tight. You don't want it to be loose at all. So you make sure it's tight, and now we are good to go. So guys, this is what it looks like up close. You adjust it right here, mount it on your rail. They give you the tool, so this would get mounted on your gun rail. Make sure you check out the listing and the manual for compatibility options, and this is it. Now the further away your sight is from you, the bigger the dot's going to be. And of course, in person, the dot looks much nicer than the camera can pick up. Now there is no actual laser anywhere else, so you only see the laser within the sight, nowhere else. It doesn't shine anywhere else, which makes it a really nice feature. Again, that is on maximum brightness, and you just twist the whole base here. So you twist just the top cap for the battery, and you twist the whole thing. A little hard to do with one hand, but you just twist this like that, and now that's going to be the most dim. Overall, guys, this is really nice, and I love the cap feature. I mean, I just love that for protecting, and I love that they make it that you can just simply press right on here to pop it open. Great feature. This is definitely one of my more favorite laser sights that I've reviewed.